In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find purchase history in Walmart. Whether you're checking a past order, tracking a delivery, or quickly reordering an everyday item, I'll walk you through the exact screen so you know what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. On the home page, look toward the top right-hand side of the screen. You'll see the account option. Click that to open the account menu. From there, choose purchase history. This takes you to a page that lists the orders associated with your account. You'll see recent purchases first, along with dates, items, and order totals. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, make sure you're signed into the correct Walmart account and use any on-page filters to narrow by date or order type. This page is also where you can view details for each order, such as items purchased, delivery method, and links for returns or receipts when available. If you want to track an order, there's a dedicated orders page that lets you look up the status. When you open it, you'll be asked for two things: the email address used for the order and the order number from your confirmation. Enter both carefully, then select View Order Status. You'll see the current stage of your shipment, estimated delivery dates, and, when applicable, a link to a carrier tracking page. If anything doesn't load, double check the order number and email exactly as they appear on your confirmation. You can also reorder an item right from your history. From the order details, find the product you want again and choose Reorder. This adds the item to your cart so you can review the quantity and proceed with checkout like you normally would. Reordering works best for items that are still available. If something is out of stock or discontinued, you'll see a notice and can choose a similar alternative. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. Keep your order confirmations handy so your order number is easy to grab, and use the filters in purchase history to quickly jump to the time frame you need. Also, some in-store purchases appear only if they've been linked to your account previously, so don't worry if a paper receipt doesn't show up automatically. That's it. You now know how to find your purchase history on Walmart, track an order with your email and order number, and reorder past items in just a few clicks.